Magandang araw po sa inyo. Ano po pangalan niya po?
May.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Grace Swanson.
Ano pong meron dito po sa ating bansa?
Dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, ang naabutan ko kasi naging presidente ay si Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Noong panahon niya, ay senior pala, noong panahon niya, mababa yung bilihin. Pero ngayon, ang laki talaga ng iminahal ng mga pangunahing pangangailangan ng mahihirap katulad ng bigas, itlog, asukal.
What history do you have in your country?
So a really big one was the Great Depression. So it was caused by extreme inflation, and then it caused the entire country to go into the Great Depression, where like everyone was like really poor and everything was really expensive, so no one could buy anything. And it caused the government to think about, unemployment, like paychecks, things like that.
Next question po is, ano pong mga kultura natin na nakagisnan nyo dito sa bansa?
Pagmamano, paggamit ng po at opo, at saka meron tayong mga fiesta, mga festival, katulad ng Gigantes Festival, meron din sa Rizal. Meron din Kakanin Festival, dito naman yun sa San Mateo.
What culture do you have in your country?
So I'm in the United States, and some things that are really important are individuality, so being self-reliant, being independent, and other things are direct communication and timeliness, so being on time and communicating with someone very directly, very straightforward, just saying it instead of maybe saying it to someone else first or hinting about it. And yeah, so those are a couple of things that are very different but are very important to the United States. Yeah, that's a really big part of our history.
Ano pong mga polisiya o batas dito po sa Pilipinas?
Ang magandang din naman na naipasa na batas dito sa Pilipinas ay yung 4Ps. Kasi yung 4Ps, sinusuportahan ng gobyerno yung mga benepisyaring mga estudyante ng 4Ps. Talagang iyon, para talaga sa mahihirap na walang regular na trabaho yung mga magulang or construction yung mga magulang, kumbaga hindi sapat yung kinikita dun para sa pamilya, kaya yung 4Ps na isinulong nila, malaking bagay yun sa mga mahihirap.
What are the policies do you have in your country?
So it's a little bit different than the Philippines because the United States has a lot of different states, hence the name United States. So there's different policies in every single state. So I'm in Oregon, and there's a policy right now where it's legal to smoke marijuana. So that's very different. In the Philippines, if you were caught smoking marijuana, you'd probably be put in jail or something. But yeah, they made it legal here, and I personally don't think it's a very good policy. But it's also, I don't know, they argued that it was good for medical reasons. I don't think so.